everybody. Happy New Year. Exciting, exciting. It's 2021. It's going to be a great year, right, everybody? Yes. So we are going to get started with our craft. I just have a friend here because, well, we didn't have any snowmen to join us except for Olaf. Olaf's been with us for a while, but I thought maybe another friend could join us. Hi, Mr. Gorilla. Okay. So this one, we're going to be making a melted snowman. It's kind of got, it should be fun. It's going to be fun because how couldn't it be, right? So I have all my materials here because it's always important to have those ready so you're not running around like a crazy person, okay? We have, oh gosh, okay, we have an orange foam piece. We're going to use that for a nose. We have, I don't know if you can really see these. There's like some little black dots here. And then some googly eyes. Okay. Those are all going to be used to make our melted snowman. We have 2 brown pipe cleaners. These are going to be his arms or her. I mean, you can make a girl snowman, sure. And I put in some ribbon for a scarf. Okay. Now we have white paint, flour. There's a little baggie of flour in your kit. That is because we're going to help make the snow be a little bit fluffy, and the flour is going to help with that. We don't want to use this one. This is going to be our actual snowman piece. This, I sent an extra cup home for everybody to mix your paint mixture. So we'll get started. This is going to be fun. I'm excited to see how this is going to turn out. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is put the snowman's eyes, nose, mouth on. I did forget something because you know what we need? We need glue. So give me 1 second because I am going to grab some. A little longer than a second. Sorry about that, everybody. Glue. Okay, your orange foam piece is going to be his or her nose. So you're just going to cut it. You might, if you want to draw the nose on there first, you can. I'm just going to kind of cut it freehand. No carrots. No carrots are really perfect, so I wouldn't worry about how it turns out, to be honest. Okay. I have a nose. I am going to glue onto this cup. This is his face, his head. So I'm going to put his eye, his or her. I keep saying his. Mine's going to be a him. So if I keep saying his, it's because mine's a him, okay? I am going to glue his eyes, his nose, and his mouth on here, okay? So googly eyes. Googly eyes. Ooh, I got glue on my finger, but you know what's fun about that? Taking it off. Okay. All right. All these little black dots, that's what I'm using for his mouth. Okay. So we're just going to put them on. Oh, I'm also using this tray. If you don't have a tray, that is fine. I like to keep the messes contained. So if there's going to be a mess, it's contained onto this tray. And that makes cleanup, because what's important? Cleanup makes cleanup a lot easier. Okay. I have his mouth. And now, hey, he's got a big nose. I'm just saying. But that's okay. All right, so his face is glued together. That was the first step. The next step is you're going to take this piece of thick paper, which is called cardstock, and you are going to just kind of cut a shape of like melted snow. You want it to be bigger. You want it to be bigger than the bottom of this, okay? See how that is bigger? So I'm going to make sure not to make it the exact same size. And I'm just going to take it and cut it all, you know, like this. Because you never know, you know, it doesn't just puddle up perfectly like you'd wish it maybe would, because it'd make cleanup a lot easier. Okay, there's my melted snow circle. It's It's a little big actually, but it's gonna work because it's bigger than my snowman. Okay, all right, that's that. So I cut that, made it bigger. Now I'm going to make the snow. We are going to use, you're going to try and use the same amount of paint and flour, okay? So I'm going to put a little bit of paint in here. I'm going to use a spoon. You can use whatever, whatever you've got for mixing, okay? I'm just going to put like a spoonful, and I'm going to stir it. All I really want to do with this is make my snow have some, I just want it to be kind of puffy, and this is very puffy. So this is going to work. Okay. I don't know if you can see that from here, but it's kind of goopy. That should be perfect. You can probably make it even. Oh, I like it. Okay. So now I am going to put the paint. This is the melted snow pile. So we're going to put some paint on our melted snow pile, however you kind of want to. Spread it around. All right, yeah, this is cool. This actually is really cool. This is my first time making paint like this, and I actually kind of like it. This could make for some really fun crafting. Okay, I have my paint on. Oh, now I can't pick it up. There we go. I have my paint kind of spread out on my circle. It's not really a circle, that's why I'm doing this. Okay, we're going to take our snowman head and just press it down onto the paint while the paint is wet, because when it dries, it'll sit right in there. Now I'm going to take a little bit more of the paint that I have left. You can do this or you don't have to do this, but I'm just going to kind of spread it around the bottom of this a little bit, just to kind of make it maybe not look so much like a yogurt cup. Again, totally your call. All right. Running low on paint. I might have to use my finger, and I'm going to be honest with you. I don't like my fingers being dirty, but if I want to get all the paint on here, I might have to use my finger. I wonder if a popsicle stick might have been a better idea, because the snow kind of gets stuck in the spoon here. I don't have to use my finger. I'm going to use this, my scraps. See that? Oh, smart thinking. Okay, so there we go. I just want to put it around the edge. I'm just putting it around the edge because I don't want the edge to show. You don't have to do that. If you want it's your melted snowman. Do what you'd like. That's the fun about crafting. It's your project. So, okay. So, I've got him attached. This is pretty strong. This flour paint mixture is actually pretty strong, so it's kind of nice. All right. Oh, I forgot one more thing. I am not on top of things. Give me another 20 seconds. Count to 20. Let's see if I can be back by 20. Keep counting. Keep counting. Oh, okay, you might want to stop counting because I don't know if that was 20 because I wasn't counting. Okay, and I'm back. At least I talked the whole time, right? I forgot there's going to be buttons too, because snowmen sometimes have buttons. I'm going to take 3 buttons and just plop them around on the snow in just so it kind of looks like they melted off the snowman. See how I did that? Melted off. Okay, here are my arms. Let me see if I can. What's nice about pipe cleaners is you can kind of bend them around into shapes. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I just made fingers, go me. Okay, and you can kind of, whatever. See? Ooh, I made little fingers. Then you can just kind of stick them wherever, because the paint mixture is kind of like glue. I don't know if I said that already, but I'm saying it again. It's kind of like glue. Okay. These fingers are a little bit bigger, but that's okay, because like I said, I don't know if I said this either. No 2 sticks are the same, kind of like snowflakes. All right, another hand or arm. I'll put this one, we'll put it like this. There's ribbon. You can use it. You don't have to use it. I'm going to use it. Why not? We have it. We might as well, right? I'm just simply going to wrap it around. Because, I mean, why not? Usually when you make a snowman, well, when I make a snowman, everybody can make them different, right? When I make a snowman, we do put a scarf around. So that's what the ribbon is. It's his scarf. Or her. Okay. Well, this guy's scarf, oh, I got my fingers. See, I touched it. Oh. Okay. This guy's scarf is, well, it's big. And it's covering his nose, which actually a lot of people like to do when it's freezing out. So I'm going to leave it like that. That is it, guys. This is the final project. I actually really like it. I think it's cute. You're going to want to let it dry overnight. So a long time. Because of this thick paint, it's going to take a while to dry. So let it dry overnight and then give it away as a gift even. This would be an awesome gift. If I got a gift from my kids or my nieces and my nephews or just anybody, I think this, I would be like so happy because I can display this all through the winter because of course I put it away after winter because that's just what I do, but you don't have to. Anyway, that's our final project, guys. You have fun making that. I hope that you guys agree with me and this is going to be a great year. 21. Yes. See you guys later.